Living in the city, we all want to bring nature home. VegeSense Smart Garden adds warmth and peace to your life. Soilless hydroponics, clean and tidy. Smart LED light, auto water circulation. Easy to grow, no hard work. Everyone can enjoy it. The joy of planting. Watch seeds sprout and grow day by day. It heals your tired heart. Herbs, veggies, cherry tomatoes, all grow naturally. No pesticides, fresh and safe. Healthcare for your whole family. Simple and beautiful, fits anywhere in your home. A lovely green decoration. Make your home full of life. Make living more comfortable. VegeSense brings nature and health into your daily life. Make ordinary days full of green and beauty. Learn more on my profile link in bio.